Hi guys, welcome to Wingting's Kitchen. Today we're going to make mud cake, which is a chocolate cake with a gooey centre, also known as Kladdkaka, Swedish chocolate cake or Swedish mud cake. If you like the IKEA chocolate gooey cake from the food market, then you'll love this one. The outside is crunchy and chewy, and the inside soft and gooey. It's like a giant brownie, but it's so much more easier to make, and it doesn't require many ingredients either. So let's get started. You will need 310 grams of sugar, 110 grams of plain flour, 55 grams of cocoa powder, 135 grams of salted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 eggs. First, put the butter in a bowl, then melt it in a microwave or a saucepan if you like. Give it a mix and make sure it's all melted and there's no lumps. Leave this to one side so it can cool down a bit. Also, preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and beat them. Leave the eggs to one side as well. Into a large mixing bowl, add in the melted butter, sugar, flour, and cocoa powder. Mix until well combined. I'm using a spatula. You can use a whisk or electric whisk, but it doesn't take long to mix at all. When it's all mixed together and looks like a paste, add in the vanilla extract. Then add in the beaten eggs. Mix again until it's all combined and it looks gooey. It's thick but also a bit runny. It should look something like this, and don't worry about the lumps. Line greaseproof paper on the bottom of your cake tin and around the sides if you want, but I've just lined the bottom and greased the sides with oil. I'm using an 18cm cake tin. Pour the cake mixture into the cake tin. Spread the mixture more evenly and then smooth out the top. Put it into a preheated oven of 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. The top should look crunchy, but when you touch it, it will be soft. You can't really use the bamboo stick method here to check if it's cooked. Let it cool down slightly. The cake will deflate. Loosen up the sides and take it out of the cake tin and transfer it onto a plate. It's optional, but sprinkle some icing sugar on top for that finishing touch. Oh, that's gooey. And the Swedish mud cake is ready to serve now. So here's my Swedish mud cake. The inside's soft and gooey, but the outside's crunchy and chewy. It's really easy to make and it smells so good and is really yummy. And to make it even better, serve it with cream or ice cream. The cake will keep for a couple of days in an airtight container, so you can save it for later and then warm it up in the microwave or have it as it is. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!